Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Zojirushi rice cookers that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality rice cooker, Zojirushi is one of the top brands in the game. Whether you're looking for a budget option or a premium model, there's something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker/steamer in white. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $54.49. It's designed for simplicity and ease of use, making it perfect for those who want a no-frills rice cooker that gets the job done. The single-switch control makes operation a breeze, and the stay-cool handles and glass lid with a knob ensure safe and convenient handling. Despite its affordable price, this rice cooker delivers consistent results. The non-stick inner cooking pan ensures easy cleaning and prevents rice from sticking, which is a huge plus for daily use. Its compact design makes it an excellent choice for small kitchens or limited counter space. However, keep in mind that this model is best suited for smaller households, as its 3-cup capacity may not be enough for larger families or gatherings. On the downside, it lacks advanced features like multiple cooking settings or keep warm functions, which are found in higher-end models. But if you're looking for a simple, reliable, and affordable rice cooker for occasional use, this one is hard to beat. It's a fantastic entry-level option for those who don't need all the bells and whistles. At number 4, we have the Zojirushi micom 3-cup rice cooker and warmer. This compact model is priced at $179.85 and is perfect for small households or couples who want something more versatile than a basic rice cooker. It features multiple menu settings, including options for steel-cut oatmeal, brown rice, GABA brown rice, and even long-grain white rice. It's an excellent choice for those who enjoy experimenting with different types of grains. One standout feature is the GABA brown rice setting, which activates the rice to increase its nutritional content. Additionally, the fold-down handle and built-in retractable power cord make it easy to transport and store. The stainless steel design not only looks sleek, but is also durable and easy to clean. Its non-stick inner pan ensures even cooking and effortless cleaning. While this model offers more functionality than the budget option, its 3-cup capacity might still be limiting for larger households. Also, it doesn't have the advanced heating technologies found in premium Zojirushi models. However, for those who prioritize versatility and compactness, this rice cooker is a fantastic mid-range choice. At number 3, we have the Zojirushi NSTSC10 5.5-cup micom rice cooker and warmer. Priced at $199, this model balances functionality and affordability, making it a great choice for medium-sized households. It features micro-computerized fuzzy logic technology, which adjusts cooking times and temperatures for perfectly cooked rice every time. With a 5.5-cup capacity, it's versatile enough to handle everything from daily meals to family gatherings. This rice cooker comes with a variety of menu settings, including options for white rice, mixed rice, porridge, and even a cake baking option. The stainless steel exterior is not only stylish, but also easy to clean, and the built-in retractable power cord adds convenience. Additional features like automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and a reheating cycle ensure your food stays fresh and ready to serve. While it offers great value, it lacks induction heating, which is a feature found in premium models. However, for the price, it delivers consistent results and a wide range of functionalities. This is a fantastic option for families or those who want a reliable, feature-rich rice cooker without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 2, we have the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 5.5-cup Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer, priced at $222.54. This model is a favorite among rice enthusiasts thanks to its advanced neuro-fuzzy logic technology that learns and adjusts cooking parameters for flawless results. It offers a range of cooking settings, including options for white rice, brown rice, porridge, and sushi rice, making it ideal for a variety of cuisines. The unique spherical, non-stick inner pan ensures uniform heating, and the retractable power cord adds a touch of convenience. The LCD clock and timer functions are easy to use, and the automatic keep warm and reheat cycles mean your rice is always ready when you are. Its 5.5 cup capacity is perfect for medium-sized families, and the included accessories, like the rice spoon and measuring cups, make it user-friendly from the get-go. The only downside is that it doesn't feature induction heating, which limits its temperature control compared to premium models. However, its consistent performance and intuitive design make it a top choice for those who want high-quality results without the premium price tag. And finally, at the top spot, we have the Zojirushi NPHCC10XH Induction Heating System Rice Cooker and Warmer. Priced at $384.99, this is the ultimate choice for those who want the very best in rice cooking technology. The standout feature here is the induction heating system, which provides precise temperature control for perfectly cooked rice every time. Whether you're making white rice, sushi rice, or even GABA brown rice, this cooker has you covered. The stainless dark gray finish gives it a premium look, and the clear LCD control panel is both intuitive and easy to read. This model includes settings for jasmine rice, sweet rice, porridge, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The automatic keep warm and delay timer functions add convenience, while the non-stick inner pan ensures even heating and easy cleanup. The only real downside is the price, which is significantly higher than other models on this list. However, if you're serious about rice and want the best possible results, this rice cooker is worth the investment. It's perfect for large families, foodies, or anyone who demands top-tier performance in their kitchen appliances. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.